Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica. Today I'm going to do a little fall makeup tutorial because I need to do my makeup today because I look busted and I want to look pretty. And it's fall. Let's get into the video. Okay, I got a new lash curler and I'm kind of excited to try it. I'm really picky about lash curlers, so if I don't end up liking this, I will probably just put the piece thing into this, my old one. I always start off with mascara. Hot take, some people don't like starting off with their mascara. Not me. The mascara I use is the Tartelette XL tubing mascara and I really like it, but it's a brand new mascara, so it has the look of a brand new mascara, meaning it's messy, but it's still good for like a new mascara, so I like it. My lashes are just like really thin and really non-existent right now. Now I'm gonna do my mascara. Okay, lashes are done. They don't look too bad, honestly. Alright, next I'm gonna do skin tint, which I use Fenty Beauty. It's really good. It's a little bit pale for me. It's not like my color. It's very white. Like, look at the color difference. This is me. Well, this isn't me. This is like winter me, but like whiter. And then this is summer me, but lighter. Because I don't know why I always buy skin tint a little bit too light for me. I think it's because the Sephora lighting, the Sephora I usually go to, it's hard to tell what your actual color is. And so I always end up going lighter than darker because I feel like it's easier to correct lighter. You know, like with bronzer or like a darker powder. Like, see how it makes me look just so like a ghost. So let's get some bronzer in here. I'm going to use my Pixie bronzer. Honestly, what I'm doing right now is kind of like my super natural everyday routine, but with blush, it's gonna really make it more fall. So because it's not summer, you don't want to look super bronzed for fall. I'm gonna take, this is like, it's a moisturizer, tinted moisturizer, and it is very natural. I saw a lot of reviews saying that like it's super transparent and like it's useless, but for me it's always been like the perfect amount. Also, I use a brush that already has like powder bronzer on it because I use the same brush for my powder bronzer and my cream bronzer, so I just always look really bronzed. But look at that, now I don't look as ghost. Next, for blush, for fall blushes, I like to use kind of like a pinky thing, but that's like a little more deep and like kind of orange. The Rare Beauty blush is another thing I would use because it's like kind of, it's super orange, but because I want to do like a natural fall makeup, I'm gonna use the Morphe 2 cream blush because it's not super pigmented, but it's like enough to look cute. So I keep knocking things on my desk. Fun fact, fall is actually one of my least favorite least favorite seasons because it's just so pointless and miserable and cold. There's no fun holidays. Well, I guess people like Halloween and Thanksgiving. We don't even really celebrate Thanksgiving in my house because we're not, like, you know, both my parents are from Australia, so we don't really celebrate Thanksgiving. And then Halloween, it's like, I mean, my siblings really like Halloween, they still do it, but I'm just kind of a little bit over it because all it is really a social thing now. If you don't have anywhere to go, like, it's not a fun holiday, you know, nothing fun. And it's miserable and rainy and cold, and I really don't like the rain or cold, which I do like the rain some days, but I just don't like it when it's cold and miserable and like everything. But winter is like very similar, but I like it more because it's Christmas and sometimes there's snow, which I don't like snow when it snows during a school day. Hot take, because then we have to make up the snow days and have a longer school year, which is why I like it when it snows like during break, because then we don't miss any school and we still get to have fun. And Christmas is like one of my most favorite holidays, so that's why winter is a lot better. Summer will always be my favorite. No school, my birthday, the weather, even if it's like super hot. Like this is why June is one of my favorite months, because my birthday, it's summer, but it's not like July or summer where it's so burning hot and it sometimes gets miserable because of how hot it is. It's like the nice like transitioning from spring to summer hot. Okay, wow, concealer, what would I do without it? Okay, I'm gonna set my face with this setting powder. It's the All Nighter Urban Decay. Okay, next I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and because we're trying to go for like a natural fall look, I'm going to be very like light about it, carefully dabbing over my face. And because it's fall, you don't want that like dewy look. That's for summer. Also, look at this. I am running out and I need to replace this. I've had this for a year, by the way. Oh, I just realized that I didn't do my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna do highlighter, KKW highlighter. My technique to making sure it stays in like one spot and looks cute is I push up and I do a little bit on the tip of my nose. And I do it in like the spot where naturally my nose look like shiny and stuff. And I always put inner corner highlight because it makes me look cute. Now let's do my eyebrows really quick. I don't fill them in that much because I'm like terrified of how I look with like super filled in eyebrows. Okay, I look really weird right now with my eyebrows filled in actually. Now, lips. My current routine, fall natural lips, is one, I don't put anything on my lips from like when I'm doing my makeup, when I wake up or anything. Like I woke up a few hours ago, I haven't put anything on my lips yet. What I'm gonna do is take this lip liner from Rare Beauty. It's in this, I don't know what this color's called. Kind Words. Line my lips super lightly. I'm not overlining them. And just super lightly lining them. Take a color similar to whatever lip liner you used. I'm just gonna use the blush again. Clarins lip oil. Try to get a lot of it because I like juicy. So here's the finished look. I love it. I feel very fall.